Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk to you about the CAD4 Sprocket replacement. There are two different versions of this sprocket in use in the Australian industry, one having a single sprocket on the top and one having a double. We prefer to use the single sprocket as the double places greater strain on the garage door when opening. When using the double sprocket, it only increases the opening time of your door by 2 seconds, but due to that greater strain, you will replace more sprockets over time. The sprocket kit comes with everything you need to replace your broken sprocket with, including a worm gear, grease, fixings, and instructions. Replacing your garage door sprocket will probably take about 30 to 45 minutes. Just take your time and you'll get that one fixed. This sprocket will also suit other motors. It will also suit the Merlin MT5580, the B&D FAM4, and the B&D BM4. If you have any other questions about this CAD4 sprocket, head on over to our website. You can give us a call or send us an email. See you next video.